what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's about to take her driving test. The DMV opens in about an hour, a little over an hour. We're running through the practice. This is her last time practicing. She's actually quite good. She's ready to pass the driving test, so, right? Right. So yeah, we're gonna run through it one last time. So we're bringing you guys along for the ride. All right, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curb. Put the car in park. Pull up the
Parking brake.
parking brakes on, and turn off the ignition.
Okay. All right, so they'll ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Again, they're doing that. They're checking the brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. So you gotta make sure those things are actually working before you come to the DMV. Now, this is something new that the examiners at the DMV are doing. They're asking you to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. They're checking the tire, making sure your tire is good. Again, they will not take you out in the car if the tire is not good. Now turn all the way to the right. Again, they're checking to make sure your tires are good. Once you're done with that, make sure you straighten the wheel like she just did. Do not start the car with the wheel turned to extreme left or right. Alright? So now the examiner will come into the car and they'll tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse. Look behind. They don't want you using the mirror here, so you gotta look behind, turn around. When your mirror is at the end of the line, you're gonna stop about here, turn all the way to the right, and look behind and continue to reverse. You reverse until you get to a point where you can go forward without hitting the cars on that side of the parking lot. So now we're gonna go to the stop sign down here and we're going to make a left turn. So you signal left. So every time they tell you to turn, make sure you signal. Otherwise you lose 4 points for each time. So we don't want to lose points unnecessarily. So, use the signal. All right, go ahead. Go straight into your right lane. We're gonna go down to the stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's clear on both sides. We're gonna go all the way down to the end of this corridor, and then we're gonna make a left turn down by this big garbage can. I call it Raccoon City. I didn't see any raccoons this morning.
Yes, yeah, I've seen them all.
They're always over here. I didn't see them earlier when I came, but yeah, they live over. They live in this thing right here. That's their hotel. Alright, now we're gonna make a right turn. So signal right. And here you make sure you're a little bit out here in the middle. Not too much to the left side now. Just enough so you can make this corner and stay in your right lane. So keep it as tight as possible without hitting the curb with your back wheel. Once you come around the corner here, you straighten up, stop. So they're gonna tell you to stop, so don't go too fast here. Now they're gonna ask you, they're gonna tell you basically to do the quick stop. So speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. And stop. Okay, just like that. Now they're gonna ask you to reverse straight back. They're gonna call it backing or whatever. Go straight back. You're gonna back up until they tell you when to stop. Okay, you stop about here. Cool. Alright, now go forward. We're gonna make the next left turn down at the end. So you signal left. And again, you're making sure you stay in your right lane. So parking will be quite a bit easier if you're on your extreme right. So closer is much better, right? So closer to the right side here. And we're gonna go and we're gonna line up your mirror with the first pole. Go up a little bit more, just a touch more. And then turn. As you get into the middle of this area, you're gonna start straightening your wheel and pulling straight in. Alright, cool. Alright, now we're gonna reverse from here. So they're gonna tell you to reverse and go to the left to do your 3-point turn. So you look both ways. As soon as your mirror, when your mirror is past, back up about a foot past it. Now you're gonna turn all the way right because you're gonna go up to the left to do your 3-point turn. When your mirror is past the middle here, you stop. Alright, 3-point turn. You're gonna pull up on the right side, close to the right side, closer to the right, about here, stop, 3-point turn. So you signal left, turn all the way left. You're gonna stop before you hit the curb. Put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder. And again, you're gonna reverse until your mirror is past the middle of this area. And then signal left, turn all the way left. We're gonna go to the stop sign and we're gonna make a left turn. Alright, so make sure you signal in to the left. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's now 6:52, and look at the DMV line, people. This is the line at the DMV at 6-something in the morning. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the end and make a left turn. Quick left turn here. Stay close to your right side. And we're gonna park right here on the left. So signal left, turn all the way left. As you get to the middle, you straighten up, keep going a little bit more. Straighten up, pull straight in, and stop. Cool. All right. How do you think?
Great.
Great?
Yeah.
Great? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would say great. That's like 100. People must be like, Henry always says 100. Well, I know. when it's 100, it's 100.
Yeah, it's 100%.
Same? So she's gonna get 100. So just tell these people to make sure they subscribe to the channel.
Make sure you subscribe, guys.
For real. I just made over 15,000 subscribers. 1550, I believe, by now. 15,000 is not terrible, but for my channel and the amount of people viewing the channel, yeah, I should have 50 at least. But I'm grateful for 15, right? So help me to get it to 50 or 30 or whatever, right? Just keep supporting the channel. Help me to build it. All right, and don't forget, for those of you that's into music, I have another channel. It's called Sequence Sound. If you're into reggae sound systems, check out the channel. It's called Sequence Sound. Just go over there and subscribe for me. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.